Jacob Crowder is greater than Jason Beard, and Josh and Caroline Bradford, and Emily Shepard, and Rachel, I don't know your last name. Jacob sometimes likes to talk in third person. He said so himself. I love the days in which I can fully utilize my laziness. Do you think that it's viable to cook hamburgers in the toaster? I wonder if anybody else pretends that they're in a music video when listening to their iPod and walking. I will punch the next person in the throat that thinks it's a good idea to drive 10 miles an hour on the highway. You've been warned. In awkward situations, I like to pretend that I'm texting somebody. There's no greater feeling than wearing new socks. Jacob Crowder plus hot wings equals awesome. Seriously, too much of either can result in bad things happening to good people. I saw an albino squirrel today. I still haven't broken a bone in my body. And no, I'm not knocking on wood. I need people with umbrellas to move out of the ways of those of us without. We're in more of a hurry than you. I have 43 unread messages in my Facebook inbox and growing. If you want to be number 44, you can send me a message. While I'm on the subject of Facebook, people, stop with the apps. I'd rather buy used socks from a telemarketer than to play your comparable apps game on Facebook. Who cares if I look like Val Kilmer? Do you find it strange that many times on Facebook that you don't know anybody and the friends you may know? Facebook is recommending people from Canada to me. Canada's not even a real country. Will somebody already invent a blanket that keeps you cool at night? I'm tired of hot blankets. I feel like a Hot Pocket. Ooh, Philly cheesesteak. That sounds good. When will teleportation be invented? When I order takeout food, I want to be home right then. Not in my car with the food mocking me all the way home. Slinky plus an escalator. Think about it. Seriously, think about it. Apparently, the wrong answer to, do these pants make me look fat, is it's not the pants. How was I supposed to know? If you're watching this right now and you're near a guy named Jason, karate chop him in the ear. In the back of the knee will also be effective. If Zaxby's opened a fancier restaurant with the exact same food and higher prices, I'd still pay for it. How come I never watch the movies in my Netflix instant queue? I always browse other things and watch something else. I need better accountability. Taco Bell is like a bad relationship. I would do anything for it, but it always hurts me in the end. Texts from my mom begin with, go to Pinterest and search for. Texts to my mom always begin with, would it be legal if I remember when MySpace was cool. Thanks, life, for giving me the facial hair of a 13-year-old girl. Why am I always thirsty when I walk next to a water fountain? New career opportunity. Steal a dog and wait till a reward is posted. Flawless. I'm looking for business partners, actually. I've been known to intentionally throw games of Hangman just to kill that guy. I like to go up to cashiers in stores and say, oh hey girl, I see you checking me out. Warning, people in aviators may seem cooler than they actually are. I feel like stop, drop, and roll is a more effective form of avoiding awkward conversations rather than its actual intended purpose. It's no accident that Jake is one vowel removed from being joke.